importance of fingerprints in the forensics field is that we use them to identify suspects, people involved in crimes.
What are you looking forward to?
Science. I'm really excited to see what's going to happen.
Having MCSO come in and show the kids STEM skills that apply to real world employment and careers is really important for our kids to see at a young age so they can pursue it through middle school and high school.
Today we're going to be talking about fingerprints, what they are, where they come from, how to find them, and what they're used for.
They're all different, not only from each other, but from one finger to another. And the up and down of your skin make up ridge detail that's unique to each one of you.
This experience really lined up with the Litchfield learner. It gives the kids an opportunity to take a look at careers beyond school, and it ties the importance of what we're doing every single day in reading, writing, and math to their future.
This is black powder, and this is the fingerprint brush we use to apply the black powder.
A lot of people have loops. The next one is a whirl.
Warm it up, and then go up.
Everybody have a brush?
Doing all these skills and learning how to apply the critical thinking that we've been doing in our unit is what gets them very excited.
Spin your brush gently like this. All right, so it's nice and fluffy. And then you're gonna turn it over and you're gonna go gently down on your tile. Getting to interact with these young students and seeing their enthusiasm for some of the work we do is so rewarding.
Oh, I see it. Oh, that's weird.
Teaching these kids this at a young age, they have so much more informed knowledge about the career path and things that they would get to do.
If I look at it very closely, at the top of my finger, it's like a arc, and then at the bottom right here, it's like a whirl.
I think it definitely helps them relate better to the lessons and objectives they're doing. So it's a good experience for them to get to practice with this and the connection across from content to real world.
I have mostly loops, but I also have a few whirls on there. The most exciting thing I've learned today is how they take these prints and take them to the lab and figure out and go to court and learn about and give more information about their cases.
What do we say to our special guests who are here today?
Thank you!